মাদ্রাসাতে দাও বাবা মা তোমাদের সন্তান, কোরআন হাদিস শিখে হবে সাচ্চা মুসলমান। মাদ্রাসাতে দাও বাবা মা।
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I am Kaium. I am an English language teacher of Ar-Rayhan International Madrasah. Respected Principal Mufti Kaium, honorable teachers and dear students, we are very happy to have you with us today. We are very glad to share that a debate program has been started in our madrasa to improve the English skills of our students. Through this program, students will learn to speak confidently and use English in a better way. This debate will help them build confidence and to improve their speaking and language skills. Our topic is Islamic education vs modern education. On my right side is the Islamic education team, and on my left side is the modern education team.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Quranic knowledge guides us to Jannah. Dunya is temporary, but Akhirah is eternal. Our Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "The best among you are those who learn the Holy Quran and teach it." Without Islamic knowledge, we can't perform our religious duties correctly. Modern education gives us jobs, but Islamic education saves our souls. Success in this world means nothing without success in the hereafter.
First revelation was Iqra, not limited to religious texts only. Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Seek knowledge from the cradle to the grave." Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Seek knowledge even if you have to go to China." Islam encouraged observation of nature, science, and the universe. Quran mentioned astronomy, embryology, geology, scientific study. Islamic education and modern education are not enemies but complementary.
Quran and Hadith teach us right from wrong. Modern education focus on money and success, not character. Islamic education creates honest, humble, and compassionate people, prevents corruption, dishonesty, and immoral behavior in society, teaches us how to treat to parents, neighbors, and all of humanity. It develops fear of Allah taqwa, which controls our actions.
Medicine, engineering, economics are fardu kifaya. If no Muslims become doctors, engineers, or scientists, the whole ummah is sinful. We can't depend on non-Muslims for all our worldly needs. Muslim countries are poor because we lack modern education and skills. Allah gave us brains to think, innovate, and solve problems. Relying only one traditional education makes Muslims weak and dependent.
Modern scholar education often includes an Islamic values. Islamic education preserves our Muslim identity and Bengali Muslim culture, protects the youth from harmful influences, keeps our security connected to Islamic traditions. Bangladesh's Muslim majority needs Islamic scholars and leaders.
In modern Bangladesh, you need modern education to earn halal income. Parents have responsibility to from their families. Traditional madrasah education often doesn't provide employment opportunities. Poverty itself is a test and can learn people of Islam. Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam was also a successful businessman. Even Imam and Islamic scholars need basic modern education to function in society.
Islam is not just a religion but a complete way of life. Quran has guidance for economics, politics, family, and the society. Allah's wisdom is superior to human systems. Islamic education provides answers to all life's problems. Modern education changes, but Islamic teachings are timeless and perfect, following Allah's commands, bringing success in both worlds.
How can we do effective dawah without understanding modern communication? Islamic websites, YouTube channels, social media need technical skills. Defending Islam against misinformation requires research and analytical skills. Understanding modern college requires modern knowledge. Muslim scientists and personnel can show Islam's compatibility with progress. Strong Muslim nations need economists, diplomats, and administrators.
Thank you very much for watching our debate program.
Ar-Rayhan International Madrasa একটি আন্তর্জাতিক কোরআনিক শিক্ষা মিশন।